Now, let us take a look at another example, example 3. A project is planned to be completed in 2 months with a total budget of $20,000. The cost breakdown allocates $10,000 for each month, with half of the work scheduled to be completed each month. At the end of the first month, only 25% of the total work has been completed. The actual cost incurred is $10,000, which equals 50% of the total budget. Using this information, calculate the following metrics. 1. Plan value. 2. Rate of performance. 3. End value. 4. Cost variance. 5. Cost performance index. 6. Estimated cost at completion. 7. Estimated time to complete. Let us look at the solution. One, the planned value for the work schedule to be completed by the end of the first month is 50% of the $20,000, which is $10,000. 2. The rate of performance. The rate of performance, RP, is a percentage of work actually completed compared to the work scheduled to be completed. The work actually completed at the end of the first month was 25%, but it was scheduled that 50% should be completed by the end of the first month. So the actual, which is 25, divided by the schedule, which is 50, times 100, giving us 50%. So the rate of performance is 50%. This means that only half of the work schedule for completion by the end of the first month has been completed. Solution continues. The end value, EV, or the monetary value of the work actually completed, is calculated as the rate of performance times the planned value. So that is 50% times 10,000, giving us $5,000. For a project of 20,000, and by the end of the first month, only 5,000 end value or monetary value of work was actually completed. Means the project is getting challenged. This means that the project has completed work value at $5,000, but $10,000 actual cost has been spent. This indicates that the actual cost is double the end value based on the budget. That's a challenge. Cost variance, which is end value minus actual cost. So we have end value, which is 5,000, actual cost, which is 10,000, giving us a negative of 5,000. 5. Cost performance index, which is end value divided by actual cost. The end value is 5,000, the actual cost is 10,000, and that is half, or 0.5. Estimate at completion is equal to the planned value of the whole project divided by the CPI. So the planned value of the whole project, which is 20,000, or budget at completion, which is 20,000, divided by half, giving us 40,000. So estimatedly, we will require 40,000 to complete the project instead of the 20,000 budget at completion. So our estimate, we are really getting cost overrun by double. This indicates that if the current rate of performance remains unchanged, the project originally budgeted at 20,000 will now be completed at an estimated cost of 40,000. 7. Estimated time to complete. That is the original time divided by schedule performance index. So we have the original time of 2 months divided by half, giving us 4 months. So instead of 2 months, we are going to have the time doubled to 4 months. This indicates that if the current work pace continues, the project originally planned for completion in 2 months will take 4 months to finish.